it tastes like an alcoholic beverage. And I was like, oh no, wait a minute, I might have to put this down. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited to do a September unboxing for the Daily Goodie Box, and I actually recently did one for them for the month of August. So if you haven't seen that, I'll have it down below in the description box. And I want to give a special shout out to A Mom's Point of View. She has a freebies channel, and she was the one that hipped me to this. So let's get started. So the first one I have here is Superfood, and this is Bunches of Crunches. And this is granola. Oh, that smells so good. I already know. Let me get my taste in, because once my daughter finds out this is here, it's gone. I'm so greedy. I didn't show you all what it looks like. There you go. It tastes like there's like some chocolate on it. Oh yeah, duh. Because it's a dark chocolate sea salt with chai. Delicious. This is a great snack for kids. Thumbs up. So far, so good. It seems like a lot of stuff in here this time. Okay. Oh, I got coffee. Yes, I love coffee. Okay, so this is the original pour over Twin Peaks 100% Colombian coffee. So I have 2 coffee machines here. You better believe I am going to check this out and see what this tastes like. The next item I have here is from Natralia, and this is the Anti-Itch Soothing Cream, and it soothes and relieves irritated skin. Yeah, as you guys can see, they have samples, but they also have full-size products in their box as well. This is like white substance, the 3rd video that I filmed today, so excuse me if I seem a little kooky at the moment. Okay, it smells like Vicks Vapor Rub, but not overpowering. And once you rub it in, that's pretty much it. Disappears just like that. This comes from Kirk's, and this is the Odor Neutralizing Hand Wash. You can never have too many of these, especially in the field that I'm in the medical field. It eliminates stubborn smells, leave hands feeling clean and hydrated. So this is from Endo Sleep, and this promotes rejuvenating sleep. Oh, okay. So I feel one of the little capsules there inside. And that's really good on those days that you can't get enough rest. And actually, they have put more than one in there, so this is the 2nd one. These next little goodies I have here are cleansing facial oils. And the first one here is the African Marula Oil Pumpkin Seed. You get 2 of those. And you get 2 of the Daily Facial Oils Kakadu Plum Seed Oil. These are what the full-size products look like, and they are offering a 15% off discount on these products using the code ECOLIXIR15 if you're into these products. Right on time. Right on time. Am I the only one that uses the chapstick until there's like no more, and you're trying to scrape the little bit off of there with your finger and rub it on your lips? Well, thankfully I won't have to do it this time. This is from ECOLIXIR, and this is Hemp. It is organic, and it is in the scent vanilla. So I'm actually feeling a little dry lips right now. So, oh, it smells really good. Yeah, that smells so good. Okay. I can already see the difference. Look at you shining. Look at you popping. 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 ignore me today. Okay. So the last things that are in here besides this product are some flyers. I'll show you that to you guys in a minute, because now I'm on to something I'm really excited about. So this is called a Wonder Drink, and this is in the scent Apple Mint, and it is a prebiotic from Kombucha. I have seen, I believe it's Jackie Ina, she promotes this a lot. She's always drinking it, and I actually was interested. Every time I went to the store, I'm like, should I, shouldn't I? Now is the time. Now, I'm not normally a fan of like apple or mint type drinks, but every time you judge something, you end up being surprised at how good it is if you just go ahead and taste it. Ooh, okay. Well, we don't want it to go everywhere. There we go. It smells so good. Let's see. Oh, it's good, but hold on. Okay. I had to check and make sure it didn't have any alcohol in it, because it tastes like an alcoholic beverage. And I was like, oh no, wait a minute, I might have to put this down. But, oh, as soon as you dive into it, you can instantly taste the apple, you can taste the mint, has a citrusy taste. Very acidic, but not to the point where like a Coke would be, where a Coke is so strong you're like, this one is just enough to get you addicted. Delicious. And might I add, this is something that it will be 10 times better when you put this bad boy in the freezer or the refrigerator to get a bit of a chill on it. That is so good. So down in the bottom of my box, I found some more items. I have a sticker here from Wonder Drink, the one I just had. Aw, you guys are giving me good drinks and stickers. I feel special. Okay, so for the coffee. So for the coffee, they have a coupon that is the number 20 and the word goodies. So you can get 20% off your next order. So there is a $3 off coupon here, and this is for that Endo that I had showed you. And that is the sleep medicine. And this is cute. Look at the little house. So it says, do you love bakery on Main? So it says, if so, you can join the club. And also they gave you a $1 off coupon on this product. So I believe this is the last one. This is from Emerald Health Bioceuticals. And this is the powerful support for your endo. I'm not even gonna try. For your endo system. You pronounce that word, okay? You pronounce that word. Oh my God, once again, this was so much fun. I enjoyed this, being able to try these new and interesting products and letting you guys know from my standpoint how I feel about them so that you guys can try them out as well. And if you're interested in signing up for the Daily Goodie Box and getting your own free items in the mail, I will have that information down below in my description box. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you all on Wednesday with my Freebies and Wins video. Guys, enjoy the rest of your week, and I will talk to you again soon.